Good morning. So Miss Ashley today is gonna try something new. It's kind of, I guess, gloomy out a little bit, but it's nice outside. It is. So Miss Ashley's up in her tree. I am up in the tree. So I'm gonna read you a book from in the tree. It's called Rain, Rain, Go Away. I know this week we've had a lot of rain, haven't we? So, rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Riding his bike, and he just wants the rain to go away. The boys and girls want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Look at the little birdie holding the umbrella. Rain, rain, go away. Come again one April day. We're in the month of April. Then flowers will bloom in the month of May. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again on Saturday. Is today Saturday? Today's Monday. The animals are here. Hooray! Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Now the sun would like to stay. Can you guys hear that? It is. It's starting to rain. And I heard thunder. Let everyone come out today. Rain, rain, go away. But Miss Ashley's safe in her tree, I promise. For now. The rain, rain has gone away. Now sun shines here to brighten our day. It's just really windy, kind of. Goodbye, clouds. Hello, rays. Sun, sun, come and play. Aw, and then there's a little song to sing. Rain, rain, go away. The end. Bye, guys.